Hello everyone. In today's video I'll show you how to fold the tow bar in and out. 1. To fold the tow bar out, open the tailgate and press the button on the left hand side at the rear of the cargo compartment, then release. Don't press for too long, as this might prevent the tow bar from folding out. 2. An indicator light in the button shows that the folding function is active. The tow bar will fold out and down to an unlocked position, at which point the indicator light will flash. 3. You can now move the tow bar to its end position, where it will lock into place and the indicator light will glow steadily. You can now use the tow bar. 4. To fold the tow bar back in again, briefly press the same button. 5. The indicator light will flash and the tow bar will automatically fold down to an unlocked position. 6. You can now secure the tow bar by pushing it back to its retracted position under the bumper, where it will lock into place. The indicator light in the button will glow steadily if the tow bar is correctly locked. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.